I have made the complete free plugin for Magic Form. This plugin will help you to make the create all option completely free. Like this is my name, Imran. So here put short text as a full name, email, phone number, long text. Another is URL. Number means budget in USD. Then number we updated, so we can put the drop down checkbox radio date. Also no need to password, so you can update. You can file uploader demo website image. So demo image, also the primary color, choose primary color, okay. So pull, you can submission here, submission message. After success it will show here. So this is the example. If you the other space redirect, so I put here. So I am saving this form now. Form submitted, ID 6. Okay, so come here, the all form. So this is our form. Copy this form, make another post or page ID here, create the page, add a page, Imran, page name, and here shortcode is this page, the shortcode, publish it. When you visit this page, showing name, and I am publishing the normal data, phone details, website details, budget, and updated this is the demo image I am uploaded here. Color, you can choose the color, primary color is this. Now submit this page. Now showing the success. So when comes the form entry, here is showing the new form entry already coming. Form name, here when you can visit the view, so view the entry form name, submission date, submission IP, user, status, name, format, and showing the view all entries. This is the name, this is the email address, this is the phone number, message, website, and demo image. Here you can check the full image. Also the color have choice this color. So you can print this entry, click this print entry, just print, make it save Imran and save it, and go this save Imran here, and this is the print format we have uploaded. This is the print and simple print form for you. So thank you. For your needs, you can contact me. This is the completely free plugin for you. You cannot buy, you do not need to pay for this plugin for single change this image or phone number. Many plugins just make it paymentable for the image upload or phone number using. In the last month I also paid for this plugin. Finally I made the plugin for you freely. I can manage, I can upload it also. Thank you.